Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the LA Auto Show taking a look at the 2025 Toyota Camry. So the model in our video has got a beautiful spec, and as you can see, the new Camry has gorgeous new design. Now on the front you can spot a very aggressive front bumper on this trim. This is the XSE trim, and then there's also the different trim available, and actually we can see it over there. 4 trims are available for the new 2025 Toyota Camry. Let's focus now on this one. So on the front you can see a beautiful slim LED lights, then these are the daytime running LEDs, and very pronounced, very sporty bumper. I mean, just look at this element here, and then the attention to details here is just amazing. The grille itself, this is the front camera, and also the lights are connected with this gloss black element, emphasizing the width of the car and giving it so much presence on the road. I think the car looks phenomenal. Tell me in the comments what are your thoughts. Now let me show you from this angle. All new. There we go. So well-known lines from the side. Let me show you those wheels here. I think they look so good. The dual tone finish, these are the 19-inch wheels, 235/40 R19, that's the dimension of the tires. You see the pronounced side skirts, and here the dual tone on this car as well. So here is the side profile view, the all electrified 2025 Camry, because the new Camry is available exclusively with the hybrid powertrain, but more about that a bit later on. Now let's focus here at the rear. And one of the highlights here are the new lights, beautiful LED tail lamps, and also they are connected with this gloss black part here on this trim with the Camry lettering here as well. Very pronounced rear spoiler, look at this. And I think they really nailed it with the design. Now tell me in the comments, what are your thoughts? The new steering wheel feels very nice in hand, 12.3-inch digital cockpit and the 12.3-inch main touchscreen. And I love the details here, the look of the dashboard itself. Beautiful red elements on this one. And let me change the view and show you more details. Alright then, the new design for the steering wheel with physical buttons, which is always nice to see. 12.3-inch digital cockpit, and the 7-inch would be the base one. In the middle, 12.3-inch digital cockpit, and then the 8-inch would be standard. I love the design lines here, and this actually emphasizes the width of the dashboard itself. On this lower section you can see the physical buttons, which is always nice to see. These are the switches for the AC and various things here, as you can see, and that's always nice to see because it's the easiest way to control the AC. Now the air vents have the very cool styling here, look at this, love the pattern on those. Hazard lights, USB-C ports and USB port, wireless charging pad for your phone, and here you do have the storage area and the cup holders that are adjustable. This is the gear selector, and then you can switch between driving modes here: Eco, Normal, Sport, EV mode and Auto Hold, as well as the electronic parking brake are located in this section. Now let me show you this huge amount of room that you have here in the middle, and the 12-volt power supply is here as well. Now the glove compartment is decent in size, and I want to hear your thoughts on this interior of the new 2025 Toyota Camry. I really love the design here, and also I love this red interior. I think it suits the car, but I want to hear your thoughts. How do you like it? And we are now ready to explore the rear bench. Oh, and by the way, this, of course, there is a standard volume knob here, but they just removed it here for the car show. Let's check out the rear bench. Beautiful. I mean, just look at this red interior. Suits the car really well. And without further ado, let's jump on board. And there we go, huge amount of room available. And here USB-C port and USB port, and then you can also put this cover on. Air vents, storage area, and in the middle we have the armrest with the cup holders, but these are not adjustable. And now the situation for my head, still some room left on 1.87 m, and overall this is so comfortable, and I could sit here for hours, so it's a big thumb up from me. And also let me show you the view from the rear here on the dashboard itself. Share your thoughts with me. How do you like it? Now let's talk about the powertrain, the all-electrified 2025 Camry. As you can see here, the car is exclusively available with hybrid powertrain, the 5th generation hybrid, the 2.5 liter hybrid powertrain, and then you can go for the front-wheel drive or the all-wheel drive version. You can choose all-wheel drive on all trims now. And speaking about the specifications, front-wheel drive has got 225 horsepower and the all-wheel drive has got 232 horsepower. The car is expected to arrive at dealerships in spring 2024. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe, tell me in the comments how do you like the car, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.